Okay, guys, it's time for math. So, yesterday we learned something new and something fun. Who remembers what we learned? The penny. That's right. We learned about the penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Very, very good. All right. So, we're going to review that in a minute, but first, we're going to go through our numbers 1 through 7. And we've got a new number today that we're learning. I wonder what it could be. All right, but first, let's go through these really quick, okay? All right. Are you ready? 4, 5, 3, 7, 1, 2, 6, 4. Good job. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix it up here, and I'm gonna do something a little harder. I'm actually gonna show you the picture side this time, and you have to tell me what the number is. Okay? Oh, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Let's see. All right, and I tell you what, when you see number 7, I want you to pop up like popcorn, okay? All right, when you see the number 7. All right, here we go. Oh, what is this one? Who can tell me? 7! That's right. Good job. Good job. 5, 3, 4, 6, 2, 7. Good job. 1. Give yourself a pat on the brain. Excellent, excellent. All right, let's take a look at our new number. What is our new number? I can't imagine what it could be. Let's see. Is it 7? No, we've already learned that. Is it 5? Nope, we've already learned that one. It's number 8. Good job, guys. Number 8. Okay, so number 8. Let's count the items on the back. Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, this one is a fun one to do. Let me find my little number chart here. All right, remember, make an S, do not wait, go back up and close the gate. Good job. I feel like we did this yesterday. Did we? Maybe we did. And Miss Christy is jumping ahead. I jumped ahead yesterday. All right. Let's say it again. Ready? Make an S. Do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. Good job. Good job. All right. So, we are going to do a couple things. We're going to learn to write the number 2. So I have my house up here. But first, what we've got to do is talk about some shapes. Okay? Now, most of you know all of your shapes. Pretty easy. Okay? All right. I'm going to use my board. Okay? And we're going to do 2 shapes today. Okay? This one, pretty easy. Reminds me of our cookie. Well, that's not a very good one, is it? All right, what is this? What is this shape? It's a circle. That's right, our circle. All right. All right, here's another one. Let's see. I'm going to do it on this side. Maybe y'all can see it. I'm going to pull down. And I'm going to pull down, and I'm going to come on the bottom and close it. What shape is that? It's a triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides, okay? It has 3 corners, where our circle, there's no corners, is there? It's just round like a ball, right? All right. So, excuse me, Miss Christy has a cough. When we get back into the classroom, we're going to do some games with shapes. What I want you to do at home is I want you to look around your house and see if you can find shapes like a triangle or a circle. You know, maybe you have, oh, look at this. Miss Christy just found something. Okay, this is like a circle right here. See that? There's no sides to it, no corners. I don't see any triangles in the room I'm in, but I have a lot of other different shapes. Okay, now let's take a look at our coin. Okay, we talked about the penny. Remember, it's kind of brown in color. Okay, and at the top it says, "In God we trust." And then we have the word liberty and the year the coin was made. Who remembers what president is on our penny? Abraham Lincoln. Very good. All right, so our penny is worth how much money? 1 cent. Very good, 1 cent. Now here is the back of our penny. Okay, the top it says United States of America. And on the bottom, it says 1 cent. So it reminds us how much the penny is worth. All right. So we're actually going to do a worksheet today that has our penny on it. But before we do our worksheet, let's practice our number 2. Okay. Remember, we've done this in class. How do we say the number 2? Do y'all remember? All right. Around and back on the railroad track. Doo, doo. Let's try that again. Ready? Around and back on the railroad track. Doo, doo. All right, let me find my number 2 in here. If I can find it. Okay. All right, here we go. So here's the number 2. Around and back on the railroad track. Doo, doo. All right, let's take a look at our board. Okay, I'm going to put our card, whoop, wrong side. Put our card right up here. I can get it up there. All right, so I've got my house. All right, now the red dot is a little bit off of the ceiling of upstairs, okay? So I've got my upstairs, my downstairs, and my basement. Now, numbers do not live in the basement, okay? They only live upstairs and downstairs. So I'm always going to start at the red dot, okay? I'm going to go around and back on the railroad track. Toot, toot. Now when I do that bottom, okay, it lives on that red carpet, okay? Let's go to our next one, all right? Red dot, around and back on the railroad track. Doo, doo. All right, let's do it again. Around and back on the railroad track. Toot, toot. Good job. All right. So let's go ahead and get our worksheet out. Okay. It is page number 9. Okay. It looks like this. Page number 9. You'll see your number 9 down here at the bottom. Parents, if you look, it says lesson 12. All right. What's the first thing we do on our paper? We write our name. Good job. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. Oh, I see some pennies up here. Okay, now remember, our penny, all right, is 1 cent. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. Okay, so let's take a look at number 1. Okay, how many pennies do we have here? We have 1, 2. So you're going to circle, all right, how many cents we have. So on the side here, is it 3 cents, 2 cents, or 4 cents? So how many pennies? 1, 2. So we have 2 cents. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cents do we have? 4 cents. Good job. All right, number 2, okay? You're going to write and trace, okay? So take your pointer finger and trace this black number 2 right there, okay? And look, how many fishies are in there? Oh, 1, 2. And what does our clock say? The red is pointing to the 2, so that means it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, okay? So